up 475% of the 1 week average. Guess what? It's ClearCryptos with a 15 cents of the price, and the market cap continues to go up. Now, they just got listed and started on Bitmart today in terms of trading. So you see that going on. You see the primary listing trading begins today. And when I go look at the ClearCryptos and Bitmart, when I click on gainers, I'm seeing ClearCryptos right here up 55% of the 24 change. So they're doing very, very well. The swap is out as well. So not only you can get this on Bitmart, we can get this on the swap, and get this swap now for 3% bonus of ClearCryptos, which is really, really cool. Now, a couple other things I'm really liking about this. Not only the swap is available, but the education piece of ClearCryptos is one of the best you're going to find in crypto. The ClearCrypto team and community are a diverse group of professionals who stand for integrity and want to spread the knowledge of decentralized cryptocurrency to the world. And when I go look at the website, I would say the YouTube channel, you're seeing content all the time. Think about this: 1 hour, 4 hours, 6 hours, 19 hours, 22 hours. You're seeing it at least 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos a day on one channel, giving this an educational platform 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in terms of educational resources. And let's talk more about ClearCryptos right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, a $20 crypto on ClearCryptos, could this happen? Austin Hilton talked about this, and you know what? Why couldn't it not get there? But I do think it's gonna take a lot of work to do, but ClearCryptos is there to do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, not financial advice, but I'm just liking what I'm seeing with ClearCryptos in terms of transparency, the education you see here, and also the fact that they have their own swap and they can do a 3% bonus right off their swap just by using their swap. Of course, you need to go ahead and get ClearCryptos in terms of your wallet. Now, this Bitmart thing is very interesting. Let me go ahead and refresh the page here. This is very interesting because that they're already 55% above, or I would say plus, on this swap already. And this is a little bit of information on the actually Bitmart at the ClearCryptos. So I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm gonna go Bitmart, and I'm gonna go back Bitmart, and I'm going to go right here. So I'm gonna go and refresh the page. I see Bitmart, ClearCryptos right there, and I'm just gonna go and refresh the page and go back to it, and you see it right there. 56.20% of the 24-hour change, 15%, and you're seeing things happening inside the Bitmart. And this is just the first exchange that ClearCryptos is on in terms of a really top 30 exchange on, according to ClearCryptos coin market cap. So should you go ahead and jump in this? Should you research it? I do think you should research it because of the educational platform, and more is to come with ClearCrypto. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos is doing something positive to the space, and now they are just getting started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.